Do you know a lot of people don't know how to pin chat on Chat GPT and how to rename chat, right? And this will, scatter your research and a lot of things for you. So today I'm going to show you how to pin your chat and rename it, because you need to rename your chat preference to what you asked or what that chat is all about, so that whenever you are looking for it, you can find it so easily, right? Now, if you come to my list here, you will see a lot of things that I have asked in the past. These are different chats that I have created in the past, right? Imagine if I'm looking for the last chat here, and maybe because I don't even know where to find them, I will keep wasting my time scrolling up and down. So, but the easiest way to go about it, let's say I want to pin this particular chat here, or this good daddy verse after Nick, so that I can always see it so easily without having to scroll to find them, right? I will long press on it. So when I long press, you will see the pin button. I'll click on pin, and the chat has been pinned to top. So let's go to pinned, and you can see it here. This is pinned, and you can see it here, good daddy verse after Nick. Now another thing here is that if I want to rename it, I will long press again, and you can see here, I will now tap on rename, and I can just say anything I want. Instead of this after Nick, good daddy and after Nick, I can say Titan Market, right? And I'll save. I hope you can see it here. So it has changed to Titan Market, so that anytime I want to look for Titan Market, I'll just come to my pinned section and I'll see it so easily. So I am going to rename it back, because I don't want to forget that. So do well to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.